What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this daily update on Aptos. I've been covering Aptos daily since its launch, which I think was 7 days ago now. Was it the 18th, 19th? Yeah, no, it was launched 7 days ago. But yeah, so in this video I also wanted to do an update on that. Most of you know what I do in these videos. If you don't, basically what I'll do the most in these videos is we take a look at the price. What's going on? What did I say yesterday was going to happen? And what can you expect in terms of price movements? But apart from that, if there is any news or anything, we also talk about the news and we'll also talk a little bit about the market. Market has been relatively bullish relative to the last few days and relative to last week as well. Obviously, these are quite boring weeks in the markets, at least for Bitcoin and Ethereum and the bigger ones. But the Aptos is still being traded a lot, definitely a lot, also in the Cilinix crypto community. So if you want to talk about that, join the Discord down in the description. It's all for free, obviously. But yeah, you can also see 830 million in volume daily still. It has dropped down, but it was still a lot. It was still a lot when we were consolidating, so that says something. Compared to other cryptos, it's also, I mean, Aptos is the 44th token in terms of market cap. Volume is definitely higher than most tokens above it in market cap. So let's get right into it. It's also just interesting to analyze Aptos. I think new token has some potential. They say that they have 160,000 transactions per second theoretically. Now they're at 13, but I said that earlier too. I mean that's also just, I mean, not that many people are transacting Aptos yet, right? That's it. So right now the thing is that we were consolidating right here on top of this 9.1, 9.3 level, and it's very simple. And that's what I said yesterday, is that we're either going to break above this 10.25, 10.3 level and get up to $11, or we're going to have a bearish breakout out of 9.1, $9 maybe even. We could maybe drag that down a little bit like this and drop down to 8.4, 8.5. And as you can see right now, there's quite some bearish market structure going on, right? I mean, we have flipped under the EMAs, or at least the lower period EMAs, but you can also see that we're making some lower highs. So what it looks like is that we'll either find support here at that $9 level once more, but it looks way more likely right now that will break out below $9, have a bearish breakout and drop down to this level right here. Probably first at 8.6, but eventually I think we'll drop down all the way to this 8.5, 8.3 kind of level. Unfortunately, so my expectations are quite bearish. There's one kind of scenario in which we could actually still do something bullish, and that would just be breaking out of this market structure, right? Because you can see, even though I don't like using triangles that much, you can very clearly see that this is it. We have the support level at $9 and we have bearish momentum pushing us down more and more. If we're actually able to close above, let's say 9.7, to be quite honest with you, even though that's not my most likely scenario right now, due to market circumstances, but also due to the technicals, if we do break above 9.7, I think we'll instantly get above 10.2 as well, because that would be, like, if that would happen, we would have a lot of bullish momentum, right? And that would also show a lot of power from Aptos. So then we would probably snowball all the way into some sort of a second rally, which is also still possible. I mean, don't get it wrong. Even though we drop down to 8.5 and 8.3, in the end it's between 8.5 and 8.25. Even though we're dropping down there, that's not necessarily the end of the world, because from there we could actually easily have another rally, and that's also kind of what I expect. But I'm covering Aptos daily, so that's something I'll cover either tomorrow or the day after. This is just an update for the next 24 hours and kind of the short term. So yeah, that's everything I wanted to say, I think. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and also let me know what you think the most likely scenario is. As I said, join the Discord if you want to discuss it 24/7. But for now, take care, have a great day, and bye. First, I quickly wanted to grab your attention from a new partner, BingX. BingX is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. It's 100% legit, and you have a lot of cryptos to trade and buy. And apart from that, if you sign up right now through the link down in the description, you get a 10% off all transaction fees forever, and you can get up to a $125 bonus for free. Now let's get on with the rest of the video.